Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, if you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment and share my video, I would appreciate it. If you want to become a channel member, you can hit that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link in the description box to my PayPal account and a link to mine and Buddy's wish list at Amazon. Okay, today we are going to be making beef Alfredo with pasta. So come on, let's get started. Okay guys, we got our skillet heating up on medium-high heat. I got a half a pound of hamburger here. And we're going to brown this up. And while this is browning, we're going to add about a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon of salt, some pepper, about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of oregano. Then we're going to add a medium chopped onion. And at the same time, while this is cooking, you would want to be cooking your pasta. I already cooked my pasta. It's just sitting back here in the pan. I'm sorry you all didn't get a video on Friday. But we got another 3 inches of snow Friday, and my Wi-Fi went out, and the hotspot on my phone isn't strong enough to upload videos, so I didn't get one made. My Wi-Fi was out until this morning. And speaking of my phone, I'm going to have to buy a new phone, thanks to Mr. Buddy. Because remember last week when we had that snowstorm on Monday and he buried my phone in the snow? Well, now my phone doesn't want to charge. The only way my phone will charge is if I completely turn my phone off and it takes it about 8 hours to get a full charge on it. So I'm going to have to buy a new phone. So I'm hoping, because right now the battery is at 50%. So I'm hoping I can get this video done and put it on the charger while I upload it. But I hate buying new phones. Why are we barking? So now that our ground beef is browned and no longer pink, I'm going to take it out and drain it on this paper towel. It smells really good. Now I'm going to drain the grease out of my skillet. And I did that because I didn't want my Alfredo sauce to be greasy. And I'm using Jar of Alfredo sauce. And I just put a little bit of milk in there. Maybe 1/8 of a cup, if that. But it's just so I can clean out my jar. Now I'm going to add some shredded cheese to it. Scoop out some of this pasta water just in case I need it. And then you add your pasta right into the skillet with the Alfredo sauce and the beef, the ground beef. And you just mix it together. I'm going to add a little bit of my pasta water in here to loosen up this sauce a little bit. And there you have it. Beef Alfredo with pasta. And here you have it, guys. Beef Alfredo with pasta and a side salad. That's what's for dinner tonight. And I use bow tie pasta. You can use whatever kind of pasta you want. It's just, I had a box that was already open, a bow tie, and it's like, I'm not opening another box of pasta. We'll just use it. Wow. Wow, I've never had this before. And actually, I kind of like the taste of this better than I do chicken Alfredo. I do like this beef Alfredo. This beef Alfredo is really good. So give it a try, guys. I want to thank you all for watching my video. Remember to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that membership button, hit the join button to become a member, or there is a link in my description box to my PayPal account, and mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list. As always, the recipe for this will be in the description box below. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.